Hi everybody, this is crazylegshbkthemiz. This is my first live video, and it is an unboxing video that I just got from eBay in the mail. Okay, let's get it open. And the figure is Paul Burchill. It's not my first eBay buy. It's just my first unboxing video that I've done with YouTube. It's not my first YouTube video, but it's cool. Okay, articulation. Arm articulation, up and down, up and down. Elbow. Good. Wrist. Okay, good. The head is a little stiff. I tried it earlier. It's good. Leg, up and down, knee, and foot. Far, this is a good figure. Looking forward to putting him in one of my videos. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video and peace out. Oh yeah, but I've recently had this figure like 2 years ago, but I lost it. So came with the ring wrinkle. I still have the ring wrinkle, but I lost this figure, so I figured I just get it again. It was a good price. It was $1.99 plus shipping, which was $2.99. That's good. That's a good deal. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.